orange, yellow, what a sight. Green and blue, they're here for you. So let's draw something new. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Kids, what things can be red? That's right.
Strawberry,
And what else? Wow,
a heart,
and more.
an apple,
So cool. Hey, little ones, what can be orange? Yes, exactly.
an orange,
What else? Oh,
oh, a pumpkin,
and more.
a fox,
Amazing. Friends, what is yellow? That's correct.
a banana,
And what else?
the sun,
And more.
a lemon,
Awesome. Little explorers, what is green? Yes, right.
a leaf,
And what else?
a frog,
More.
cucumbers,
So fun. My dear friends, what is blue? That's right.
the sky,
And what else?
the ocean,
More.
a blueberry.
Wow.
Purple and pink make flowers grow. Brown for trees that stand in a row. Black for night and white for snow. What else can we draw? Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Hey, buddies, what is purple? Yes, exactly.
A plum,
And what else?
grape,
More.
a violet flower,
Beautiful. Dear kids, what is pink? That's correct.
a flamingo,
And what else?
cotton candy,
More.
a rose,
So nice. Hey, adventurers, what is brown? Yes, right.
a bear,
And what else?
chocolate,
More.
a tree trunk,
Fantastic. My little stars, what is black? That's correct.
the night sky,
And what else?
a panther,
More.
a bat,
Spooky. Little friends, what is white? Yes, right.
snow,
And what else?
a cloud,
More.
a rabbit.
So cute.
Gray for clouds that float up high. Silver sparkles in the sky. Gold shines bright like the sun so near. 12 colors all so clear. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told. Color, color, color the world with pencils bright and bold. Color, color, color the world with stories to be told.
Hey, smart ones, what is gray? That's correct.
An elephant,
And what else?
a wolf,
More.
a mouse,
Awesome. My shining stars, what is gold? Yes, exactly.
a crown,
And what else?
the sun's sparkle,
More.
a treasure chest.
So magical. Friends, subscribe, give it a like. See you in the next videos.
Bye bye. See you.